Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's training, I'll be teaching you how to make this Ankara Braided Headband with double bow at the back. Please stay tuned. The material I'm holding now is the one I will be using for the braid, and the length measures 38 inches with 3.5 inches width. You cut it 3 pieces, 38 inches length by 3.5 inches width. You cut it 3 pieces. So next thing I'll be doing is to show you how to sew. Please fold it in while the wrong side is facing you and you sew this edge down to the end. Do same thing to the other remaining two. Now I'm done with mine. You can see the outcome. And what I'll be doing now is to use my pin to turn it out. Alright, I'm done turning out and I'm going to do same thing to the other two. Next thing I'll be doing is to insert my fiber. This fiber, you are going to stuff it inside the material you just cut out. Do same process for the other materials. As you can see, I'm done with the 3. Next thing I'll be doing is to take it to my sewing machine. Sew the edge. Just hold it down the way I'm showing you. Once you're done holding down, you sew this edge. Alright, next thing you'll be doing is, with the help of someone, you can tell someone to help you hold the edge as you braid. But I'll just show you how to do the braiding part. Hope you understood the way I did my braiding. Please, what you did up there, do it to the end of this material. So I'm done with mine, and I went to the sewing machine and sewed the edge just like I did the first time. Next thing you'll be doing is to join the both edges in order to form your headband. So you hold the both edges this way and use your needle and thread to hold down. The next material I'll be cutting out is for the bow design, and this big one measures 12 inches length by 12 inches width, while the small piece measures 9 inches length by 9 inches width. So these two materials, I used my pinky chair scissors or my zigzag scissors to cut it out in order to give the edge a good look. So next thing I'll be doing is to form my bow. Please watch the way I form my bow. So next now we're doing is to attach the bow to the braided headband. And please watch the way I'll be doing mine. Alright, next material I'm holding is for the loop, and it measures 7 inches length by 3 inches width. Going to use this to hold down the bow to the headband. So we fold, making the wrong side to face you, and you sew this edge. So I'm done with mine, and I'll be using my pin to turn it out. So once I'm done, you place your loop this way, making that seam part to face you. And you take it to your sewing machine and sew down. Please make sure that the wrong side, that is the seam part, is facing you. Don't forget that this is the seam part and this is the right side. So make the seam part to face you while you tack it down. Alright, I'm done sewing mine, and I'm turning it out now. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Please, if you're a new member here, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And for the old members, thanks for staying up to this time. See you next time.